Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Samsung device with Windows. So on your Samsung device, you can basically seamlessly sync your Galaxy phone with your Windows PC for notification, message, photos, or even apps. The benefit of this is that you can use your phone without picking it up, reply to text, drag files, and run apps on your computer. So let me show you how to do this. So on your phone, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find connected devices. From here, you want to go ahead and find link to Windows, which is right here. Turn this feature on. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on sign in using your account. Now you can go ahead and sign in with biometrics. So this will basically use my Outlook account, allow access to contacts and the phone. And now you've all set up. So now on your PC, you want to go ahead and install an app called Phone Link. This is built into your Windows 10 or 11 PC. And then just go ahead and follow the pairing prompts on it. So there you go, guys. That is how to link to a Windows machine with your Samsung device running One UI 7.0.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.